Okay. In this video, we'll see the overall progress of a team in terms of status movement, in user stories, tasks, bug. So for creating those metrics, first we need to save the filters. For that, go to the issue section. Here you select your project. Then in the type section, you select whatever the issue type you want to see the progress. For example, I want to see the progress on the epic, bug, user stories, subtask. Click on it. You can select the another status. If you want to see all the status, click all. I want to see the assignee. So you want to see the all the assignees for related to your team. Select those assignees. Once you selected, you can select more fields like due date, created date, fixed versions. If you don't want, just click on save filter. Give the meaningful name. For example, here I'll give the issue progress. Once you give the name, you need to give the viewer access. So if you're adding to the my organization means all the people who is belongs to your organization can see the dashboards. Click on add and click on save. Once you save, go to the dashboard. Click on the dashboard which you would have already created. Click on edit. Once you click on edit, select the two-dimensional filter statistics. It's the most widely used statistics. Here you search your filter just now which you added, which is the issue progress. You can see the two axes over here, x-axis and y-axis. So whatever the value which you want to see on the x-axis, you can select over there. For example, in the x-axis, I want status. Search the status. And in y-axis, I want a issue type. Short by, you can keep by the natural total. Keep on the ascending order. Maximum number of result. If I want 100, you can select 100 or 50, whatever, and click on update every 15 minutes. If you click on that, your dashboard will be live and it will be keep updating in each 15 minutes. Click on save. Yep. So you can see here it shows a nice dashboard where it's showing all the bugs, subtasks, which is on what state. For example, we are having a 3 bugs which is blocked, testing item to do in progress item. So this is how you can customize the board. If you want to further customize those things, click on add it. For example, I want to see instead of issue type, I want to see by the assignee. Click on save. So you can see the assignee wise also. Once you're done with that, click on done button. So in our dashboard was about issue type versus block. So I'm again reconfirming this issue type and save it. Click on done. You can expand the dashboard also. And this is a live dashboard. When I say live dashboard, it is updating in each 15 minutes. Also, if you hover over any items, it will drag you directly over there. For example, I want to see how many block bug item there. Just click on that. So it will redirect you directly over there. So from here, guys can take the necessary action. This is how you can create a issue statistics dashboards, which will be talking about how many items are there in your current project and what's the state on those and who is working on that. Okay. Thanks.